Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Teachable affiliate earnings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Teachable affiliate earnings, start by logging into your Teachable account. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate section in the dashboard. Here, you will see a summary of your earnings and performance. Locate the option for payouts or withdrawals, typically found in the affiliate dashboard. Click on this option to view your available earnings for withdrawal. Next, check the minimum payout requirement to ensure you meet it. If your earnings are above the minimum, proceed to select your preferred payout method. Teachable usually offers options such as direct bank transfer or PayPal. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details securely. Review all provided information carefully to avoid any errors. After confirming your details, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Wait for the stipulated processing time, which can vary depending on the method chosen. Once processed, you will receive your earnings in the Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your payout status. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Teachable support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.